Ano nga ba ang hydroelectric power system o tinatawag din na hydropower? Ito ay kumukuha ng energy galing sa flow ng tubig. Ito naman ay renewable energy source na nagre-rely sa natural water cycle gaya ng rivers o kahit ano pang flow ng tubig. History and discovery. Ang hydropower isa sa pinakamatagal na power source at ito ay ginagamit noong ancient Greece kung saan ang water wheels is powered mills. Noong 1882 ay nabuild ang hydroelectric power plant sa Clayton, Wisconsin, USA. Simula noon ay naging cornerstone of modern renewable system. Thank you.
Saan nga ba ginagamit ang hydroelectric power? Provide electricity for homes, business, and industries. Manage water resources such as preventing floods or providing irrigation. Act as a backup of power source during peak electricity demand. Ito ay nagiging backup din sa pangangailangan natin ng kuryente. And ano nga ang function nito at paano ito gumagana? The primary function of hydraulic electric system is to produce clean and renewable energy. And how it works, water is stored in reservoir behind a dam. The water flows through intake gates, creating pressure due to gravity. This pressure drives turbines connected to generators. Generators convert mechanical energy to electricity, and last, the electricity is transmitted by power lines to homes and industries. Thank you.
Dahil nabigyan na kayo ng briefing ni Martin at ni Carl about hydroelectric system, ay ngayon naman bibigyan ko naman kayo ng positive at negative effect nito. Diba, ang positive effect ay renewable energy source that is relying on water cycle, which is naturally replenished by precipitation, making it sustainable energy source. Next ay reduction nito sa greenhouse gas. Unlike other power system, gumagamit sila ng fossil fuels, which is malaki ang nagiging pangit na epekto nito sa ating ekonomiya o sa climate change. Next ay hydroelectric system produced by a minimal carbon dioxide than other power system. Kumbaga kakaunti lang ang nagiging ambag nito sa carbon dioxide, which is pinaka-aim ng scientists natin during ating research na kumbaga ay mag-provide ng renewable energy source. Additional is sa reservoir can provide for agriculture like irrigation, which is nabanggit ni Carl, and drinking, benefiting surroundings communities. Ang last natin babanggitin ay negative effects. Dams can be blocked in natural water flow, which is, ang sinasabi dito ay nabablock nito ang natural water flows, which is affecting fish migration, alteration of natural waste, changes to rivers can lead to reduced water quality downstream, altering the temperature and flow patterns, which is can harm both ecosystem and human naturals. Conclusion, and last, this is hydroelectric system plays a crucial role in meeting global energy needs sustainability. While they offer significant environmental and economical benefits, they also pose challenges like ecological disruption and high cost. Understanding how they work help us minimize their potential while addressing their drawbacks, ensuring a balance between energy demands and environmental preservation.